You know the drill. Another quarter's here. Your team's drowning in course schedules, compliance reports, managing calendars, planning training, all while leadership wants to cut more from the budget. Training needs to happen on time, on budget, and without mistakes. But once again, your time goes to managing logistics. That means error-prone manual work. That's also where Administrate changes everything. Here's how. First, we protect your budget. Administrate can turn training into a revenue driver, not a cost center. Administrate works at any scale, so it's easy to standardize training management across your enterprise. Every training admin, learner, and instructor gets the same consistent, high-quality experience. Here's what that looks like day to day. Plan courses in minutes with reusable templates. Schedule hundreds of sessions, syncing every calendar with just a few clicks. Send automated, personalized messages so learners, instructors, and stakeholders are always informed. Catch and fix errors before they cause problems. Administrate isn't an LMS. We integrate with your LMS to run your instructor-led training so you can stop fighting fires, wrestling spreadsheets, and focus on delivering training. Ready to see what Administrate can do for you?